In this video, I will show you how to fix the "You were kicked from session by BattlEye" error in GTA 5. First, open the Rockstar Games launcher on your PC and go to Settings. Locate the BattlEye option. If you only play GTA 5 in offline mode with mods, make sure BattlEye is disabled. However, if you're playing GTA Online, BattlEye must be enabled to avoid being kicked from online sessions. Next, close the Rockstar Games launcher completely. Open Task Manager and end all Rockstar Games and GTA-related processes running in the background. This ensures that all launcher services are fully closed. After that, open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, run the following command and press Enter. SC delete BE service. Once you see the success message, close Command Prompt. Now, reopen the Rockstar Games launcher and launch GTA Online. BattlEye will be reinstalled automatically, which should resolve the session kick issue. If the problem still persists, verify the integrity of your GTA 5 game files through the Rockstar Games launcher or Steam, then restart your computer and try launching the game again. And that's how you can fix the "You were kicked from session by BattlEye" error in GTA 5.